OnePlus Ace 6 Ultra was officially introduced at a press conference in China today. The device is a performance-focused phone. It comes in Ace Awakening and Metal Storm finishes. The phone features a 6.78-inch LTPS OLED display supplied by BOE, with a 1.5K resolution and a 165 Hz refresh rate. Powering the phone is the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chip, manufactured on TSMC's 3rd generation 3nm process. The device runs Android 16 with ColorOS 16 and includes LPDDR5 XRAM and UFS 4.1 storage. The Ace 6 Ultra has a 50MP main camera on its back, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, a 16-megapixel front camera. The hardware is backed by an 8600 mAh dual-cell battery, paired with 120W fast charging support. The OnePlus Ace 6 Ultra starts at 3,499 yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.